Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Chrome and start where you usually browse the web. Click the three-dot menu at the top right of the window to reveal options. Select History from that menu to open the Full History tab. Alternatively, press Ctrl+H on desktop for a quick jump to History. On mobile, tap the three dots, then tap History to view recent pages. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account before searching your history. With the History tab open, locate the Search History box at the top. Click into that box and type keywords, full URLs, or partial site names to narrow results. You can also enter a date or month to focus your search on a time range. Press Enter or tap the search icon to execute the query and show matching entries. Results update instantly and display page titles, URLs, and visit times for easy recognition. After you find the items you want, take action using the controls provided. Click the three dots next to any entry to open or remove it from history immediately. Use the checkbox and delete option to remove multiple items at once. For broader control, open Clear Browsing Data to remove history from specific time ranges, such as 1 hour or all time. If you use Chrome, Sync Your History can show across devices when signed into the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.